I spent almost $2,000 on tinnitus remedies last year. Not one of them worked.
The nights were the worst part. You lie down, the room goes quiet, and that's exactly when it gets loud. You watch the ceiling for 2 hours, exhausted, then get through the day half present, come home irritable, and then it starts again. I found Herbless by accident, ordered it without much hope. Here's why it works when everything else didn't. Pills go through your stomach. By the time they get where they need to go, most of the active ingredients are already gone. This patch sits right behind your ear. That spot is one of the thinnest areas of skin on your body. It absorbs directly into the tissue around your ear overnight for up to 8 hours while you sleep. No digestion, no delay. The ingredients actually arrive where the problem is. That first night I fell asleep before my husband. He asked me in the morning, "Are you okay?" I said, "I'm fine. I just actually slept." Ear Bliss, 60-day money-back guarantee. You can try them too. Click the link below.